I'm back with a product review video. And this time I was sent a pendant light cord to do a review from the company that goes by the name of HURYEE, and it's spelled HURYEE. So that's the name of the company. And so what was in this package, I just received the package today, or probably yesterday, but I just got it out the mail today. So you get your 15-foot light cord and your screws and hooks. And I think it's a direction sheet in here. So let me tell you what's in the box. So it is a plug-in hanging light fixture, 15-foot pendant lamp, switch cord with a bulb socket. Okay. And this rope is for your DIY projects, which I've created. And I'll go ahead and put it together and I'll let you guys know what it looks like. So let's see. The features of this is 110 volts. It powers up to 16 watts for your light bulbs. And you have to purchase your own light bulb to go with it, which I've already done. So here's the little area where you put the light bulb in. And then it has your off and on switch there. And here is the plug. And this is what it looks like. Let me see up close. It's made out of hemp material. And it's 15 foot long. It's pretty long. Okay, so that's what it looks like. So let me get the project together or try to get it attached and hang the hooks out on the wall, and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. All right, so real quick, I just wanted to show you the steps that I went through for the DIY. So here you'll see the twine rope that I used. I got that from the Dollar Tree, and then I also used to make the paste is tacky glue, water, and a little cornstarch. And as you can see, you'll make the mixture and just put your twine rope in there and just let it soak. And after you do that, then, you know, go ahead and squeeze, like kind of squeeze it off a little bit. I don't know if that's the right term. And then you just take your ball and just consistently wrap until it gets like to, I guess, the look that you're wanting to go for, maybe like a basket. But this was like the first day. And as you can see, there are a lot of holes in it, but you probably want to wrap it a little bit tighter than I did. Just keep wrapping. So, and I also found out from this project that I used too much glue on one side, and then I took it out of the mold too early, so it didn't get a chance to dry properly. And also I didn't use enough string, so mine sort of caved in on one side, but I still like how it looks. But I'm going to reattempt to try this project once again.
Always be the light things on you.
All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like with the light off, and there are a lot of inconsistencies with my DIY project, but I still love how it turned out. And yeah, so I think I'll probably be doing this project over, but I have to purchase another one of those balls so that I can recreate this look here. And next time I'll use more glue. I think that's what the problem was. I didn't use enough glue on one side, and I used too much on the other, so causing it not to dry thoroughly. All right, guys, so that's the end of this DIY and show of this pendant light kit. I think the light kit is really, really awesome, but keep in mind it does not come with the light bulb. So this is a 15-foot hemp rope cord, and it's a perfect kit if you want to create your own boho type style lanterns or pendant lighting or whatever you want to make. So if you have any questions regarding this project or regarding this cord, I will leave the information below, and also a link to the company, which can be found on Amazon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.